This is the new MacBook Pro 14-inch M5. Let's take a look. On the back, the configuration details are clearly printed. Let me remove the two adhesive seals from the back side. Here is the MacBook Pro. It looks premium and well built. Let's take it out carefully. Underneath, we find the USB-C charging cable and power adapter. Apple's packaging is always clean and organized. Now I open the lid. The Mac turns on automatically. I press enter to continue setup. I choose to transfer data from a Time Machine backup made from my old MacBook Air 11-inch. This is my Time Machine drive. I plug in the external Time Machine SSD. It appears immediately on the migration screen. The system asks for internet connection. I select I don't have internet and continue. The data and privacy screen appears. I click continue and the Time Machine drive is detected. The backup shows my previous user account. I select it and proceed. It loads the files and shows the total size and transfer time. I set a new password, click continue. And agree to the terms. The data transfer begins successfully. And here the ends of unboxing of MacBook Pro with Time Machine data transfer. Thanks for watching.